circadian rhythm disorders are increasingly common in our fast-paced, modern world. These disorders disrupt the natural sleep-wake cycle, leading to various issues such as insomnia, excessive sleepiness, and difficulty concentrating. Thankfully, there are several simple remedies that can help realign your body's internal clock and promote better sleep. Let's explore some effective strategies. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to regulating your circadian rhythm. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps strengthen your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. By maintaining a regular sleep schedule, you signal to your body when it's time to wind down and when it's time to rise. Optimize your sleep environment. Your sleep environment significantly impacts your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Here are some tips to create a restful atmosphere. Comfortable bedding. Invest in a good quality mattress and pillows to ensure your sleep surface supports a restful night. Darkness and quiet. Use blackout curtains to block out light, and earplugs or a white noise machine to minimize disruptive sounds. A dark and quiet room can help signal to your brain that it's time to sleep. Ideal temperature. Keep your bedroom cool, ideally between 60-67 F 15-19 C. Cooler temperatures can promote better sleep, so consider adjusting your thermostat accordingly. Embrace natural light exposure. Natural light plays a crucial role in regulating your circadian rhythm. Getting exposure to natural sunlight during the day can help reinforce your body's internal clock. Aim to spend at least 30 minutes outside each morning, especially if you struggle with sleep. Conversely, limit exposure to bright screens like phones, tablets, and TVs in the evening, as the blue light emitted can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Incorporate relaxation techniques. Stress and anxiety can significantly impact your circadian rhythm. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine can help ease tension and promote better sleep. Consider the following methods. Deep breathing exercises. Spend a few minutes practicing deep breathing to calm your mind and body. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale through your mouth. Meditation and mindfulness. Engaging in mindfulness practices can reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Numerous apps and online resources are available to guide you through meditation exercises. Gentle yoga. Incorporating gentle yoga stretches into your evening routine can help relieve tension and prepare your body for sleep. Consider natural sleep aids if you continue to struggle with circadian rhythm disorders. You might explore natural sleep aids that can support your efforts. Herbal teas, chamomile and valerian root teas are known for their calming properties and can be a soothing addition to your pre-sleep routine. Melatonin supplements. Melatonin is a hormone that helps regulate sleep-wake cycles. Taking melatonin supplements may assist some individuals in falling asleep faster. Aromatherapy. Essential oils, such as lavender and cedarwood, can promote relaxation. Consider using a diffuser or applying a few drops to your pillow before bedtime. Conclusion. Circadian rhythm disorders can be challenging to navigate, but by implementing these simple remedies, you can work towards realigning your body's internal clock and enhancing your sleep quality. Remember, each individual is different, so it may take time to find the strategies that work best for you. If symptoms persist, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for further guidance. A better night's sleep is just around the corner.